It's market update time. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, anything I do say in this video is general advice only. I'm just giving you a market update today. This is just to show you what I'm doing right now. This is not me giving you personal advice. Obviously, all trading, a lot of trading, actually every single trade you put on has risk involved, and every single trade you put on, you don't know what trade's going to work out. That's just a fact of trading, right? So every single trade has a random outcome built in with the probability of an outcome. And the only way you know the probability of an outcome is if you take the same setup every single time over 10, 20, 30 trades. Make sense? All right, so this is just general advice only. General, that's the disclaimer there. You know what? I have no idea what I'm talking about, so don't even listen to me. Oh. There we go. There's the disclaimer out of the way. Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Before I do start, guys, I'm running another training event over the next few days, and if you're interested in that, it's about you'll be able to see all the details. The first link in the description, you'll be able to see all that. So go check it out. I look forward to seeing you on the next webinar. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What's happened with the Dow Jones right now? It has simply gotten to a point where you actually can see this resistance here and this resistance here it's actually failing where it is right now. As you can see, right? It ran up, hit it once, come back down, hit it once, and actually come back down again. It's actually failing right here. It's failing to move higher. So that's actually a bit of a something we haven't actually seen for a while. You can see back here, it actually did run up. It actually had a pullback, but then just stepping up. But where the Dow Jones right now, as we speak, the Dow Jones is actually failing at this sort of support level. So if we break it, and this is my 20 moving average, we break that and break the 20, then we could start to see some downside, at least to the 52 moving average, which is not really a support level there. I would have to say, let's go have a look at this daily chart here. The daily chart, would have to say, bing, bing, bong, bong. There. So I'd have to say that the market is probably going to head down towards this level here, because that's the support level there. And this is the overall major channel that the market's been in right now, as you can see, right? So this major channel through there, you go through there or through there. You know, we'll just do it through there, all right? So let's go back to the daily chart now. So you can see this is the overall channel. So if we do start to break down out of this level through here, as you can see, we're building this up through here right now on this Dow Jones, and then we're holding this level right here, holding this support level, and we're holding right there. If we start to break down, then the Dow Jones, the Dow Jones could start to see a significant drop back down towards probably around that 12,000, probably around this 20,000 level. And I know that seems like a pretty steep drop from there, guys, but it looks like it could go through a 4 or 5% drop down. Now on a short-term basis, we're probably going to drop down towards this support level here. If it does break that, as you can see, it's holding this level here, right? Holding this level here. So if it does break that, then I could see a 2 or 3% drop on the downside. So it definitely is failing where it is right now. Now it's still pushing high. It's still pushing higher. So it definitely is failing at that level. Now the S&P 500 is not doing that. The S&P 500 is pushing higher, but the S&P 500, obviously, I believe that the Dow Jones is obviously showing a lot more weakness. To me, the Dow Jones is the leader out of that. If the Dow Jones is showing weakness, more weakness than the S&P, that's telling us that something's about to happen. And same with the Nasdaq as well too. So, you know, looking at the VIX, guys, the good old VIX. The VIX is actually, as you can see, at an ultra low level still. So to me, the VIX is just, yeah, the VIX is quite incredible where it is right now. Ultra low levels where it is right now. Let me get back to the hourly chart. You can see what it is right now, 940. So you can see what's actually happening right now on the VIX itself. So I expect to see the VIX start to pop back up through here. And we can see what happens through there. So that's a quick little market update for you guys. And also look on to SILJ or silver and gold right now. Silver's continue to slowly crawl up. Not really much happening through there on the big picture. Still really hasn't changed much on silver. Let's actually go to gold. Gold is continuing to rally up through here, but as you can see, is that does right now, we can see all the moving averages are coming together, and that actually hasn't happened for a long time. So we're really coming together through here. Does gold continue up through here, or is this the actual failing through here? And if we do fail, then we could actually see some significant movement on the downside, probably breaking these lows here and probably heading back down towards the 1,000 level. So there we go, guys. There's a little quick market update for you guys. You guys are asking for it, so there we go. Again, guys, if you're interested in that training event, the first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to see on the next training. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Hope you guys are doing well. Speak to you soon.